Jesus!
You know, you modify one piece of foam that somebody has for $25.
Oh, Jesus!
Both for $40.
Jesus Christ! Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
What happened?
We almost...
We'll make some money off it.
Yeah, that's fair.
You're a f***. I caught that on video.
It's 15 miles an hour. I understanding what you're. Yeah.
Okay. So that means, Rekka,
Just like I was behind the other guys on 15 miles an hour.
So
looking for parking, I guess, and they're from here.
Company Blank announced it fell short.
They're looking for parking. I don't know what they're doing. Oh my God.
Starbucks is what I meant to say.
Oh no, you don't. Get a picture quick.
I'm fine.
Berkeley?
No Ebola this week.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Dude.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Yes, he just... Oh my God! He just hit my mirror!
What the fuck are you doing?
Stephen Miller
What are you doing?
and think, yeah, that's my guy.
What are we doing?
Like, really?
Go! What?
Motherfucker.
Honk horn. Let's go.
Go and defend that shit with your friends. For